weave, you guys. I'm super excited. I have hair from ISEEHAIR. As you can tell, I couldn't wait to braid my hair, so I decided to do that without you guys, and I almost forgot to leave some leave out in the back, so that's why I looked a little crazy back there. I love to do V-part leave outs now. It's a little bit smaller towards the back and it gets a little wider in the front. My leave out is right here, and nothing behind my ears today. Let's leave out as possible. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. 4 bundles of 18-inch straight Brazilian hair. Love me some Brazilian hair. By looking at it already, I can tell that this has a great amount of density in their 18-inch bundles. Run my fingers through it. Anything too long. I wanted it to be more so on the natural beach way, cute curls. So I'm just gonna install this with you guys. Super easy for me to run my fingers through it, and I'll do a voiceover so y'all can know what's going on, but I'm just basically measuring out the wefts and placing them using my Salon Pro adhesive, hair bonding glue adhesive, and just, you know, moving on to the next steps, using the blow dryer to blow everything down, and just keep measuring as we go. My first weft right underneath my last braid. I'm gonna start my first weft ear to ear, a little bit past the ear, just not too much. A tip: if you have like clogged glue underneath here, it will be drama to get it out, so you might have to just pull it out from here first, unclog it like that, and then you have to like take the top off of it and unclog it from this little tiny piece right here, just to make sure that all of the glue is actually going through this little nozzle. Making sure I have like a good amount of glue, especially on the first track, and make sure it's going around your ears and underneath the last braid that you did around your ears. So this is my last braid. Like I said, this is my leave out. And start doing the same thing around your head. Just start making the wefts longer as you go. And sometimes when you get to the top part, you may have to like curve it so it can get really nice and flat up here. Placement is everything, so keep that in mind.